Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the photo of your Spotify playlist as well as the description. So I have this playlist here that I want to change the description as well as the photo and the title as well. Select choose photo here and scroll down and select a photo that you want to essentially use for the cover. I'm just going to randomly select this. Type in the title, and you can also type in the description here. And once you're done, you're going to select save. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to find the picture. I don't know where I saved it, but that's pretty much how you can edit your playlist. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!